Hey, good Wednesday morning, YouTube. Hugmeister's Garage and Workshop. Rainy day outside. We pulled our old John Deere 870 in here yesterday. And I keep going back and forth between selling this tractor and keeping it. And man, this thing is a handy size. I think I decided to keep it this week. So we went ahead and we ordered some Rotella from Walmart Plus and got a filter on her, and we're going to change the oil today. Yesterday I looked down in there and there was an old bungee cord holding that battery in, so I made a bracket for it. I think I'm going to have to get a battery at some point. That thing says 2012 on it. I can't believe it still starts. But cleaned out the air filter. I think I'm going to have to get a seat for this at some point if I'm going to keep it. I just looked them up. They're not that bad. But I might swap that out to a yellow one. But she's been a good tractor. I'd say it's pretty maneuverable. It's got the power steering. And we'll get the oil changed. Well, it's Saturday. We got our oil changed in our 870. Went up on the hill and grabbed our old RM306, I believe it is. What's that say? RM306 6-foot mower. And this thing's been due for a belt change. It's ugly, but it mows good. I use it for across the road over there. And all this time it's had the wrong belt on it. I bought a new belt like 5 years ago, and then I took it over to my dad's and he used it for a while, but that's a 5/8 belt because I bought the one that was on it, but it was wrong. So time I looked it up, I go, no wonder them things sinks in that pulley so far. It takes a 7/8 belt, so I found one. Found a good Kevlar belt, and we're going to try to get that on here today. And the trick with these is getting the twist right. But I found an old timer on YouTube, thank God, that walked me through this. So we're going to see if we can get that new belt on here and get this thing greased up and ready for the summer of 2026. So we'll be back. All right, we got the new belt on. Man, that was fun. Quarter turn this way, quarter turn back, full turn over. I finally got it on. I had to grab the blade to get it to pop on and turn that tensioner up, but got all the universals greased, got the back greased, got the wheels greased. It ain't the prettiest thing, but it actually mows pretty decent, so if it ever stops raining around here, maybe we'll give her a try. But there's my John Deere 870 with the old Woods 306, I believe it is, RM306. Have a good day, folks.